Producing luxury ostrich leather demands the highest standards of animal husbandry, focusing on pristine environments and meticulous daily care routines.
A high-protein diet enhances durability and quality by increasing collagen density. Key indicators include dense, high-quality plumage, a well-fleshed carcass is evident in the thighs and back.
The logistical challenges of transporting ostriches safely are significant. We have to ensure their welfare from the first.
We use overhead misters to keep the birds cool and their skin supple. We also regularly inspect the feeders.
New tracking technology allows commercial ostrich farms to monitor health and location data in real time, significantly improving flock management and outcomes. From these hatcheries, we carefully manage the ostrich life cycle. Our focus remains on developing the flawless skin and
regular checkups like this are crucial for early detection.
And tracking behavioral changes helps us monitor the flock's overall welfare. Strict protocols are enforced immediately upon harvesting. The hide is chilled rapidly to -20 degrees Celsius. What is the very first chemical treatment applied to raw ostrich skin upon arriving at the tannery? Standard cowhide tanning is a heavy industrial process involving large vats and machinery, but ostrich leather requires meticulous finishing to preserve its unique texture.
In the soaking phase, we rehydrate the hides. Next, the liming process stabilizes the collagen.
To preserve the distinctive bumpy texture of ostrich skin, a process called
rawhide preparation takes several hours. The tanning drums run for hours to days, followed by the final drying and crusting stage, which takes 1 to 3 days.
Replicas. The environmental cost of exotic leather is steep. Highly toxic chemicals are routinely dumped into waterways.
Eco-conscious tanneries treat wastewater using a combination of advanced aeration systems and natural reed bed filtration. The crusting phase is a critical milestone, transforming raw hide into stable leather through processes like
We use the probes to test moisture content, and the calipers ensure uniform thickness across the hide.
The grain inspection is critical.
Ostrich leather absorbs dye deep into the follicles. Smooth leather absorbs uniformly.
The matte finish relies on a fine sealant application that preserves the natural grain. In contrast, the high gloss effect is achieved.
Color trends for luxury goods are chosen years in advance. Popular shades like this spring coral and autumn burgundy reflect meticulous trend forecasting.
Inside the rotating drum, dyed leather undergoes a tumbling action. Conditioned air and humidity are introduced to achieve the softening effect and reduce stiffness.
Wearables. The secret lies in the meticulous application. We use a fine brush, ensuring each quill bump is individually.
Apply the glaze in circular motions, buffing it repeatedly. This creates the protective, water-resistant coating and that signature high-gloss finish. After finishing, the leather is measured and graded by technicians. The final price is determined by the cumulative area within Grade 1, Grade 2, and Grade 3 sections.
The high-grade material is soft and supple, gliding smoothly under my fingers. The low-grade, however, is stiff, rigid.
The biggest challenges are maintaining color consistency and ensuring the fibers accept the dye evenly.
Master cutters prioritize the flawless center of the hide, inspecting the grain texture and flexibility before meticulous.
The crown area is prized for its distinct visual texture. These quill bumps signify authentic ostrich leather.
We use a sharp skiving knife to carefully thin the edges of the thick ostrich leather. This creates a smooth taper, essential for seamless stitching.
Hand-stitching luxury leather demands precision tools. From the initial cut, using shears and knives, to the
Linen thread is traditional, but many artisans now prefer synthetic threads, like the ones shown, due to their consistent strength and resistance to rot. The process involves meticulous edge painting, followed by careful sanding, and finally burnishing to achieve a high-quality, durable finish.
The interior lambskin is chosen specifically to complement the ostrich exterior, offering a smooth, luxurious contrast.
Installing metal hardware on exotic skin demands absolute precision. Every zipper tooth, clasp, and base foot must be set.
Structural reinforcement is achieved using high-strength nylon webbing and precise interlocking techniques, ensuring the handles never stretch or warp.
The process is incredibly time-consuming. A single ostrich leather handbag requires anywhere from 20 to 25 dedicated. When comparing the two, the ostrich leather maintains its supple texture, whereas the calfskin shows significant signs of aging, particularly the cracking and peeling at the base.
The structural supports, salpa and leatherboard, are integrated meticulously between the exterior shell and the interior lining.
We're primarily concerned with micro cracks and surface inconsistencies. These fissures, visible here at high magnification,
Leftover scraps of this valuable material are sorted meticulously and reintroduced into the production cycle, minimizing waste and maximizing sustainability. Why do these handbags cost thousands? It comes down to the rarity of the ostrich leather and the unparalleled precision of the artisan's work.
The target demographic is affluent and mature, seeking exclusivity. The psychology is driven by a desire.
While often justified by exclusivity and brand heritage, the steep retail costs are largely due to massive markups.
When we examine the supply chain for exotic leather, several critical risks and vulnerabilities emerge.
Introducing unparalleled luxury, the limited edition ostrich leather collection, where exquisite texture meets timeless design. How does the extreme rarity of a flawless ostrich skin drive up market demand and exclusivity?
Trade regulations, particularly CITES permits, are essential.
The proliferation of counterfeit bags distorts the market, leading directly to decreased sales and significant brand dilution for legitimate luxury brands.
Breaking into the exotic leather market is incredibly difficult. New brands face immense barriers.
When we examine the supply chain, the economic relationship reveals a significant disparity in profit margins between.
How does celebrity endorsement and quiet luxury culture affect the popularity of specific exotic leather styles?
This collaboration defines a new tier of luxury, combining our vehicle design with the unmatched quality of handcrafted ostrich leather.
Is the life of an animal worth the price of luxury fashion? For many, this industry is a vital livelihood, not just extravagance.
Utilizing vegetable tanning and chrome-free methods are specific ways we make our ostrich leather manufacturing process environmentally sustainable.
Discuss the concept of zero waste in exotic leather manufacturing. Is it truly achievable?
The carbon footprint comparison is clear. Authentic ostrich leather production results in 60 to 80 kilograms